Pigs is the place to be. Farm living is the life for me. Land spreading out so far and wide. Keep Manhattan, just give me that countryside.
This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had a tofu. This little piggy wants some. This little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. All the way home now. Now what if this little piggy helped that piggy out? Together all the piggies gonna sing and shout. And that little piggy helped this piggy out. Come everybody's gonna dance about, yeah. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy come along. This little piggy share his tofu. Now every little piggy got some.
Oh my gosh, did you feel them yet? No.
I know.
They were like attacking originally. I know. I'm trying to make sure that he gets some.
He's such a little baby.
Come on, he is such a little baby. Stop eating my watch. Here, come over here. Come here. Come
Let
here.
you hold it. Did you feed it? Is that easier? No.
I'm trouble with the nipples. The big nipples like goes in rather than solid. Come here, sweetie. I want to make sure you get some. Come here. Come here. There you go. Here. You getting it? Are you getting it? Oh my God. Okay. Everybody can get some.
Now they're getting aggressive.
Everybody can get some. Don't bite me.
Do they have teeth?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like little puppies. Yes, like little puppy teeth. Okay. All right, come here, little one. You get some. Here. Go away. Go away. Get the little baby in here. There we go. Hey. Little guy. All right. I don't know how Mama Pig stands this. Oh my gosh, 8 of them at once. I know. That would be like
Probably a lot easier.
Maybe they can latch on better to her. I don't know. Does not give up on the nipple. Okay, you've had enough. Here, where's the little baby? Come here, little baby. You need some here. Whew. There you go. Now you're getting it. You want to get in here? Now you're getting it. What do you think? Come on, Bruce. Do you want to try this? Do you want to feed the piggies? What do you think?
She would drink the bottle.
That's right. And they'd be jumping on her. Got it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah. You can tell the bigger nipple. See how much bigger that one is? Like the bigger one's the last.
There's one hiding over
Like
there.
you can't really get a hold of it. Whereas the little one is with their mouth totally around the whole thing. All right, you've had a lot now. Let's see
It's
if
over
you need
here.
some.
It's over here.
The little tiny one. There's actually a whole bottle that I think the guy was. Oh, don't give me a bunch of this. Okay, here we go. Who wants some? Come here, piggy. I'm spraying it all over the place. Okay, so, like I think my jeans are going to the dry cleaner. Yeah. Although the little ones, his eyes don't seem to be as open as some of the other big ones. His nose is hard. It's like pure cartilage. Yeah. How you guys doing? Everybody get some? How's it doing, Bruce? Take a map. Here, baby. Yeah, you're right, this little one, he looks like his eyes aren't quite as open as the rest. Yeah. Come here, baby. I'm going to put you up here so you can get some by yourself. Now he sounds like the Geico commercial. Oh, wait, what? Are you eating my shoelaces? Get out of my shoelaces. You need shoelaces. Shoelaces on your feet. I think that's probably it. What do you think? I don't think I took much left. Yeah. Here, baby. You get it? Oh, now you're going to squirt it all over the place.
There is one perfect place in the whole wide world where noses are crinkled and tails are curled, where squeals are happy and smiles are bright, and the wind is gentle all day and night. Pig Island, what a beautiful place to be. They play on the beaches, the color of peaches, there by the turquoise sea, oh my, under a blue, blue sky. All over Pig Island there are piggies galore. I know that there must be 1,000,000 or more. They sing piggy songs as loud as they please, and wiggle to sleep in the coconut trees. Pig Island.
Hey, Mom! Come into the kitchen and close your eyes. I've brought you home a big surprise. Isn't it adorable? Okay, boy. Now sit. 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 Never mind. Please, can I keep it? It followed me home. It seems to be sad and alone. Oh, please, can I keep it? It's friendly and shy, and I don't have a pet of my own. Please, please, can I keep it? It followed me home. What exactly it is, I don't know. Oh, please, can I keep it? It's lost and afraid, and I'm sure it has nowhere to go. I could find it.